We just saw how to create different modules, and in this video I will teach you how to take all of the common modules together and how to create a package out of it. You must have noticed that we have a couple of additional files. Let me take it right over here. So this was the folder that we created in the last video, and you can see we have multiple different folders. One of the first folder that you can see is for this one. This is called as py cache. You don't have to touch this folder. This is just a mechanism by Python to speed up your code. Just let it be there. Now for this video, let me just copy and paste this folder, and let me rename this to 02 package, and also let me open up the folder inside a new window so I can say code 02 package. So here we are. So this is the exact same code that we created in our last video. Now what happens is circle, rectangle and square, all of this are similar, all of these are shapes, and we can organize our code in a much better way. So let's create a package which is called as shapes. So packages are nothing, they are just a special kind of directory. So let me create my directory and let me name it as shapes. After this, I'm just going to copy my circle inside my shapes. Yes, I want to move. Same thing for my rectangle and my square as well. So let me just drag all of these files inside my folder of shapes. Yes, I want to move. Now we need just one more file to declare that this folder is an package and not just an ordinary directory. The way to do that is by creating a file, and the name of the file is very important. The name of the file is __init__.py. When Python sees this file, it considers your directory to be an package. Now let's see how we can import all of this circle, rectangle and square in our file of geometry. So here you can see we have a couple of errors, and that's because we have moved all of this code inside a new package, and the name of the package is called as shapes. So here we have to say that from my package of shapes, I want you to go to the module of circle, and you can say that by putting a dot. So this means from my package of shapes, I want you to go to the module of circle, and inside the module of circle, I want you to import my class of circle. Same thing will go with the rectangle. So here I can say shapes.rectangle, and this also goes to my shapes.square. Just save a file, and that's it. If you try to run the file, here you can see we have a proper output. There is one more concept that I wanted to explain in this video. So what's happening in this video is shapes is an isolated directory, or you can say it's an isolated package which has certain functionality, and we have created a file called as geometry, and this file is interacting with our package of shapes. So conceptually you can call this file as your client and the package of shapes as your API. So what we are doing is we have created a client file which is interacting with our API. It's a very simple concept.